My dear students, to manage the operations of production, to manage the process where the products are being produced, manufacturing companies, to control the waste and to improve the quality, scientific methods which were being introduced on the basis of statistics were quality control. 7 tools of quality control. All of them are on the basis of the data, numbers which are being generated through operations. बल्कि यूं कह लीजिए कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज using those scientific principles, believing that statistically speaking, you will control the quality by using these quality control techniques. Now came the idea that use philosophy in the management thinking, and Peter Drucker की discussion हुई. On the other hand, another management philosopher, management thinker, management guru, who was basically a physicist, invited by the Japanese manufacturing organization after the Second World War, around say 1948, around 1950. Time 50s and 60s when Peter Drucker was presenting his ideas in the United States. Deming came to Japan, to Tokyo. He invited only that he said, I will speak to the CEOs of the company. Sony, Komiyama, Panasonic, Toyota. These were the large, Mitsubishi, large companies, Sharp. And he gave his first management philosophical tool, PDCA. And look into the management books and you will find out how simple this tool is. PDCA. Planning, doing, checking, and assessing. Professor Deming made the Japanese CEOs learn, plan before you do. And if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Plan before you do. Once the planning is done, planning is a thinking task. दिमाग को यूज कर रहे होते हैं ना आप. Once the planning is done, use your hands, do it according to the plan. Check yourself. Is your work according to the plan? If not, act to correct it. ये डिस्कशन है 70s में, कह लीजिए, मैं 70s कहूंगा, लेट 60s, अर्ली 70s. जापानी कंपनियों ने इस पीडीसीए को इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर दिया. क्वालिटी कंट्रोल के चार्ट्स तो थे ही, लेकिन this concept of PDCA brought in the philosophical view of quality management by Edward Deming. And his philosophy was, and still is known as TQM, Total Quality Management. He said, quality should not only be in operation. Quality should be in thinking. Quality should be in planning. Quality should be in buying. Quality should be in selling. Quality should be in talking. Everybody is responsible for his work to introduce a better quality. Philosophy है ना, लेकिन ये ज़हन में रखिए कि Edward Deming is talking to Japanese. And when it comes to the moral values or the work values or the personal ethics, Japanese are still at the highest level in the whole world. He talked to them. Japanese organizations learned the principles of TQM. Edward Deming के 14 principles को ज़हन में रखिए, पढ़िए. But his concept was that by improving quality, you will decrease the expense. There will be less waste. Lower the price, have a market share higher than your competitor. और 1970s में जब जापानी कारें पहली दफा कैलिफोर्निया की शिपयार्ड पर उतरी, पोर्ट पर आईं, तो अमेरिकनों ने उनका मजाक उड़ाया। लो, ये डब्बी कार आई है जापान से, इसलिए कि वो एक डब्बी कार के मुकाबले में अमेरिकन कार उससे 4 गुना बड़ी होती थी। इम्पाला, मैवरिक, यू नेम इट एंड यू विल सी। तो उन्होंने मजाक ही उसका करना था। I'm talking in the 70s. But with the passage of time, when they were competing on price, when they were competing on quality, when they were competing on less waste, देखिए ना, less waste होगा तो प्रोडक्शन कास्ट कम होगी ना, क्वालिटी इंप्रूव हो गई। कस्टमर जो है वो तो उसकी फंक्शनल क्वालिटी को देख रहा है, वो क्यों नहीं खरीदेगा, मार्केट शेयर आपका बढ़ जाएगा। ये वो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जो डेमिंग ने जापानियों को सिखाए। Quality is a mindset. Quality is a thought process. And according to Deming, it should be embraced by the top management as well as by the entire company. He believed that an emphasis on the production of quality, emphasis on products, emphasis on less waste in the material, and the less time to produce will give you the higher market share. अपना अपना आइडिया है ना, अपनी अपनी थ्योरी के प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं। सोनी became the leader of how to cut down the design time to produce a new product. Professor Deming argued that this approach, कौन सी approach? Quality in production, quality in product, quality in planning, quality with less waste, and better market share will create an economic necessity and bring in more profitability, higher market share, higher share value. Approach है, different scholars की different approach. जापानियों ने इसको अडॉप्ट किया और 80s में वर्ल्ड लीडर बन गए। Thank you.